Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's Laravel tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn in Laravel 11 webcam capture image and save from webcam and display with MySQL database. So we have a link. So that is I'm running with the chirags.in. So in this link, same data, whatever the steps we have provided in this notepad, same notepad data will be available on this URL. So I am opening this URL. So let me go through one by one. First, I have to decide one folder where I'll just do that configuration. I will install the Laravel. So that is in my PC D drive, and inside the application, I'm just running with the Laravel 11 folder. There I'm opening the terminal. Here I'll just run the command. First command is composer, create project and prepare disk Laravel slash Laravel and then your project name. So my project name is webcam. Laravel 11 webcam. So just click on enter. It will be start downloading and creating the project Laravel and installing the project Laravel. So Laravel will be installed in the 11.3. So wait for some time until it will complete. So installation in progress. So installation is completed. Now let me go to the inside of that folder. So I'm side by side. I'm just going to run this one. So cd Laravel webcam. So go inside there and code space dot, it will open into the Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code editor, it will open. Let me side by side on this one. Next, I'm creating the roots. So there is a webcam controller. Inside the roots, there is a web.php. Here I'll just call the this controller name, and I'm creating three pages. So one is the default page, second is the when we are posting the data from the webcam, and third one is I'm just showing the image. So this is the process, and after that I'm just going to configure my database configuration in .env file. So .env file will be available on the last of the page. So .env file, and here there will be the database, default database with the Laravel 11. There is a SQLite. I'm changing into the MySQL or any of the database you can use. I have already video regarding the MongoDB, SQL Server, and Postgres, other databases. So you can check with the code and videos, so you will be able to connect with the all types of databases. Next, create the database with the name the Laravel underscore 11 underscore webcam in MySQL database. So it automatically creates. So I'm not going to create manually. Now, in the migration table, user table, I am going to add this one photo name on that. So this was the new column. I am going to add that. So go to your database. There will be the migration folder. Inside the migration folder, there will be this one users schema creation. So here I'm going to add this one. So my table string photo name, and this is the new column. Okay. Next, I'm going to migrate execute the migration for the using the below command for the creating the database and tables. So go open your terminal, go to the terminal, new terminal. Okay. So terminal will be available here. So PHP artisan migrate. So this will the warning. The database Laravel 11 webcam does not exist on the MySQL connection. Would you like to create it? Yes or no? Just click on the yes. So database will be created, and there is a fillable variable on user.php. Now let me open the user.php model. App models, and there is a user.php. Here I am going to add whatever the name we are added, new name. So fillable variable, we added that. So this one is completed. Remaining code will be the same. Here I am going to create the webcam controller. So I'll just PHP artisan make controller, then your controller name. So webcam controller is created. So go to the HTTP. There is a webcam controller, and inside the webcam controller we need the first we need the libraries. So this one for the storage, and this one for the string, this one model we are calling here, authentication we are calling here, hashing for the password hashing if you are using. There will be the methods. So I'm calling the method. So first method, I'm just showing the webcam view. Okay, I'm running the webcam view. So page will be created in the webcam. Go to the resources view and right click on that new page, webcam.blade.php. Next, when I'm going to the post, so that will be coming to the store, and store there I'm just requesting the image. I'm public path, this is the public folder path. I'm exploding the image with base 64 colon base 64, and this is the image. So image part 0, and in part 1 that will give you the image extension type. After that we are just decoding the image part 1. Okay, so image part 1 we are just means array 1, array position of 1, we are just going to the decode that one, and we are creating one random code with the 6 digit and time with the random code, and I'm giving the extension dot png. You can give the extension as per your requirement, or original extension you can create and you can keep. And there is a file path, and store the file to the public disk. So I'm just disk, I'm public, this is a folder here public, you can able to see here we don't have anything now. And put file in the image based, and storage url we're getting the name, and we are inserting the data into the database. Okay, so we done. After that we are redirecting to the image and image id, whatever the image id we are creating. And second method is a photo, there is a photo id, and we are calling that one, and just we are just binding that data to user, and we are displaying. So webcam.blade.php we have done. So this is the page. I'm copy this code, go one by one. So there is a simple HTML, this is a title, and here I'm just calling the jQuery webcam.js and bootstrap. And meanwhile this is simple HTML code, and here is the form. So action webcam capture will be available on the web.php, where web.php welcome capture. So that will go to the store method. So here is the store method, we already discussed about that store method. In this method the data will be stored. So capture, and there is a image name, email, password. I'm just going to capture for the testing purpose only. And here is the image. So this text snapshot one button I'm creating. Whenever when you will click on this button, it will be capture the image. Okay, so this will be done. And next, give me a second. Okay, so result, and there is some JavaScript. When my camera will open, in default I'm just hiding the camera, and when you will click on the open camera, so it will open the camera and take a snapshot. So it will take a snapshot, and the size I'm defining here, and image format I'm taking the jpg. Okay, and next is the result, or I'm just reading the image from the snapshot, whatever we are is just capturing. So this part is completed. Next, now I'm going to create one file, that is a photo.blade.php. There I'll just show the image. Copy the code. This is the simple code. You can able to see there is a simple HTML is there, and here we're just reading the data. User we are passing from the controller, this one, compact user. So this is passing from the controller, and we are reading the photo name, and we are displaying the as per our data. So this is also completed. Now I am going to create the storage link. So that's a map with the public. Now I am starting this PHP artisan serve. So started. Just copy this and open a new page slash webcam. So Laravel 11 webcam capture image and save from the webcam and display with the MySQL database. So you can able to see when we did the migration, database is created. Laravel 11 webcam. So there is a users. So ID, name, email, photo name, and these things are there. So inside the photo name, we have a empty. We don't have data now. Now I'm going to capture one detail. So Chirag, I'm giving some dummy details, and here you can click on the open camera. So you can able to see camera is open there. If you click on the text snapshot, it will be capture of your image, and when you submit the data, so submit the data, it is going to redirect to the photo.1, and whatever the photo you capture, that photo will be available there. And in database, you can able to see. So all the details and photo image details will be available there. And here also you can able to see in the public folder, the storage is inside the storage. There is a, you can able to see the photo whatever we captured. So in this video we have learned in Laravel 11 webcam capture image and save from the webcam and display with the MySQL database, and step by step process is given there, and follow the process on in the video. Subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.